Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is a humanitarian, spiritual leader and an ambassador of peace. His vision of a violence-free, stress-free society has united millions of people.
I believe in the universal human values. We are all part of one human society. The whole world, to me, is one human family. We all belong to that family. We need to care for each other. And there is one superpower in the world, that is all love. That's why I feel that we need to bring this education in human values to every part of the world. Only then, the world can find harmony. Oh, there are many challenges. Prejudice. People have a lot of prejudice. This is East, this is West, that religious prejudice, racial prejudice, and, prejudice about anything, political or whatever. This prejudice is something that is really an obstacle. Second thing is fanaticism. There are people who are fanatic, religious fanatics or fanaticism of some sort. They don't want to see anything new. And there are people who are prejudiced, they always, for anything new, they don't even look into it, they start criticizing, they take a step back. Unfortunately, these two hurdles have been there in the world, and they have been putting blocks for progress of the society. Not today's, but several centuries is there. We have to come out of the prejudice. I'm happy the internet era has loosened it up to a great extent. Today, any child anywhere in the universe can go on the net and search and go for, and there are more multiculturalism because of the internet in society today. And people are much more well informed than the previous generation. The generation which was not used to internet still have prejudice, whereas the young people have come out of prejudice to a great extent. When people wake up to truth, wake up to the reality, more sense come into their head, only then the war will end. It's unfortunate that in the name of religion, in the name of language, in the name of tribes, people are killing each other. It's so unfortunate. So, when people start meditating around the world, it is going to make a difference.